Part 2. May picture man gud mi diri dapita muna nga wala mi ka continue. Pwede mag-sorry.
Achop! Achop, bro! You know, bro, this is final, bro.
See where we came from?
Coast to coast.
Coast to coast.
Ocean to ocean.
Ocean to ocean.
We're going to generator.
Going to generator. Which is on top of the hill, right?
Yeah. You see the shit, the English.
See that island over there? Which is visible back of me. Here is Balot. Currently we're in the generator house, which is placed on top of the hill.
We're going to the sunset.
Sunset side. Ay, magpasugat na tong kuhan. Tubig. Sunset. Bang gusto ah.
Documentary.
Yeah. By the way,
Achop Boulevard.
Achop Boulevard. I love my shirt.
Transparent.
Transparent. Sunset.
Achop kayo, di mabayaran, bro.
Okay. Dili mabayaran.
For only 1 peso, I go here. Din.
Tabi-tabi. We're passing through. Downhill. Downhill.
English, dara, pre.
Lugsong. Palugsong.
Palugsong na ko, no?
Palugsong.
Torang sa minto, pre.
Among giagyan ganina. Bakilid kay to. Walay simentado. Dito naagyanan dito tong semento. Kung makakita ka ng semento diha mo na agyanan. Ganahan ko sa kong sanduyot. Built in kay
Under Armour.
Under Armour. Dang. Tabi-tabi. Ah, this is Balot. Little Balot. It's just we have 2 CR here. Yeah. And
Wala ka ito si Canadian, pre, ba?
yeah, I think wala. And now we're on top.
Dead end.
Didn't.
So